The Gamasutra job board is the most diverse, active and established board of its kind for the video game industry. Here is just one of the many positions being advertised right now. Location: Redwood City, California. Crystal Dynamics is looking for a talented software engineer to maintain and extend our world-class proprietary tools and pipelines. The ideal candidate would have solid large-scale software engineering skills, a proven track record of designing and implementing complex tools and pipelines, a strong desire to architect solutions and maintain systems within AAA development teams. This position requires the ability and willingness to design and fully implement complex tools, both as an individual contributor and with the help of a small team. Essential duties, essential requirements, bonus skills. Interested? Apply now. Whether you are just starting out, looking for something new, or just seeing what's out there, the Gamasutra job board is the place where game developers move ahead in their careers. Gamasutra's job board is the most diverse, most active, and most established board of its kind in the video game industry, serving companies of all sizes, from indie to AAA. Looking for a new job? Get started here. Are you a recruiter looking for talent? Post jobs here. The Gamasutra job board is the most diverse, active and established board of its kind for the video game industry. Here is just one of the many positions being advertised right now. Location: Chicago, Illinois. Fast 4 Studios is seeking an experienced artist to join our team. We are looking for people who are smart, self-motivated, and passionate about amazing games and interactive experiences. The artist gathers requirements, designs and works with a variety of team members to realize high-quality user interfaces. This individual will play a key role in designing the UX experience, establishing cohesive style guides, and extending the title's look and feel across multiple platforms. Our main studio is located in Chicago, in the heart of Fulton Market, and close to many great shops and restaurants. We have a great benefits package, flexible work schedule, and all this in a very livable and cool city. Responsibilities: the ideal candidate, proficient with. It is a big plus if you. Fast 4 Games is committed to achieving a diverse workforce through application of its equal opportunity and non-discrimination policy. People from all walks of life, irrespective of race, color, religion, sex, gender, sexual orientation, national origin, ancestry, age, marital status, and disability are encouraged to apply. Interested? Apply now. Whether you are just starting out, looking for something new, or just seeing what's out there, the Gamasutra job board is the place where game developers move ahead in their careers. Gamasutra's job board is the most diverse, most active, and most established board of its kind in the video game industry, serving companies of all sizes, from indie to AAA. Looking for a new job? Get started here. Are you a recruiter looking for talent? Post jobs here. The Gamasutra job board is the most diverse, active and established board of its kind for the video game industry. Here is just one of the many positions being advertised right now. Location: Madison, Wisconsin. Fantasy Flight Interactive is the video game development studio for Fantasy Flight Games, a world-class creator of role-playing, board and card games. We are expanding to create new games and share them with the world at large. Specifically, we are looking for an art director who will be responsible for the visual quality of our games and maintaining high-quality visual, Consistency in all aspects of the games will develop. This role has a specific focus on the technical aspects of art content creation, but will expect you to have a strong personal aesthetic sense as well. You will work closely with the studio head, creative directors, producers and development teams to commission, develop and implement art, animation, UI, on each visual component of each game we make across multiple teams. You will work with the art directors at our partner studios to set the standards, perform due diligence, and make sure the games they are crafting meets our high expectations. You will be the gatekeeper for every visual item that is checked into each game and the person responsible for making sure they are uniformly great before the final release and into live operations. Essential functions, application experience, minimum qualifications, preferred qualifications. Interested? Apply now. Whether you are just starting out, looking for something new, or just seeing what's out there, the Gamasutra job board is the place where game developers move ahead in their careers. Gamasutra's job board is the most diverse, most active, and most established board of its kind in the video game industry, serving companies of all sizes, from indie to AAA. Looking for a new job? Get started here. Are you a recruiter looking for talent? Post jobs here. If you have any interest in level design, you will want to check out the popular level design workshop at the 2019 Game Developers Conference next month, where you will get a chance to learn from folks who have worked on everything from big-budget blockbusters to resting indie games. Notably, if crafting believable, authentic levels where it feels like real people live and work is important to you, check out the GD 2019 Design Track Talk on Hitman Levels as Social Spaces, the social anthropology of level design. Presented by IO Interactive Level Designer Matty Danfont Anderson. This level design workshop session will consist of 3 sections. First, Matt will cover framing and the analysis that sparked a change in the way the Hitman 2 team approached level design. Next, he will present the analysis of what happens when you look at game spaces as social spaces, and how that played out in the pre-production design of the levels in Hitman 2. Finally, Matt will discuss how the results of this exercise resulted in joining some new phrases and concepts that affected Hitman 2 from pre-production onward. For more details on this, and many more, check out THEGDC 2019 session scheduler. There you can begin to lay out your GD 2019, which takes place March 18th through the 22nd at the newly renovated Moscone Center in San Francisco. Bring your team to GD, register a group of 10 or more and save 10% on conference passes. Learn more. For more details on GDC 2019, visit the show's official website, or subscribe to regular updates via Facebook, Twitter, OS. Gamasutra and GD are sibling organizations under parent company Informa. Hong Kong-based mobile publisher Animoca Brands has acquired a 75% stake in developer Skytree for $850,000 in cash and shares. Skytree, which is also headquartered in Hong Kong, has expertise in trading and collectible card games. The mobile studio's portfolio includes original titles like Hachi Hachi and Trillion, which have together accumulated 5 million downloads across iOS and Google Play. Animoca hopes the move will boost its own development capabilities with regards to its recent licensing arrangements with major international sports brands like Formula One, Major League Baseball, and the Bundesliga. Meanwhile, The company also claims SKYTRASOWNPORTFOLIO offers commercial opportunities for publishing and distribution, as well as blockchain integration. We are extremely excited about the opportunity to bring Trillion Auto blockchain, commented Animoca chairman and co-founder, Yet Siu. Not just because it's a polished game that recently won the top Digital Entertainment Award in Hong Kong, but also because its board game and collectible trading card game elements make it an ideal candidate for blockchain and NFTs. Competition for players, money and attention is fierce in the mobile game market. UT are coming to THGAME developers conference in March. You will have an opportunity to get a fresh perspective on the problem from an industry heavyweight. Candy Crush Maker King will be at BD 2019 presenting a special mobile Summit Talk on to Affinity and Beyond, Lessons Learned Mapping the Mobile Games Market, which promises to give you a behind-the-scenes look at what the company has learned from charting what sorts of games its audience likes to play. At King, they have found this sort of affinity data can be a powerful tool to help developers build better games. They have mapped the mobile gaming market based on affinity and how this relates to audience preferences. But what is it that they develop an affinity for? Can game designers use this kind of big data to market games better, or even guide their decisions on what games to make? All this and more will be discussed by King Product Manager Ishai Smith in this illuminating talk, so make time to check it out. For further details on this talk, and the many more in store for you at the show, check out THEGDC 2019 session scheduler. There you can begin to lay out your GD 2019